Can renewable energy really replace fossil fuel-generated electricity? Renewable energy is changing the game when it comes to powering our future. For decades, we have relied heavily on fossil fuels to meet our energy needs. But the negative impact on our environment in recent years has become increasingly apparent. Rising fossil fuel-generated electricity, coupled with the UK government's hard push for companies to become more sustainable, it's easy to see why greener generated alternatives are the new kids on the block. But the question is, can these cleaner generated alternatives on a case-by-case basis ever meet the demand? And do they really have enough in the tank for a net zero UK? Commercial solar is something at the Power Hub that we know an awful lot about. Over and over again, we've helped companies save tens of thousands of pounds on their electricity costs, very often with no upfront cost. But we're yet to see a solar system that effectively replaces the need for fossil fuel grid power. Yes, a combination of greener alternatives, along with battery storage, can collectively bridge the gap and save companies considerably on their electricity, but net zero? Is it even possible? Or maybe it doesn't need to be. Comment below and tell us what you think.